Hello again, it's Alan with Resolve Professionals, and I'm here to tell you about professional summaries, which is another aspect of a resume. And I'm just going to give you an outline of what a professional summary is, why it's important, and just a breakdown of a professional summary too. What I'm going to do really quickly here is actually just give you an outline of what I believe a professional summary is, and an outline that gives the reader or employer a highlighted sketch of one's prior experience, skills, qualifications, or accomplishments. This is the first chance for the candidate to sell themselves, also remembering to stay relevant toward the anticipated occupation when creating the professional summary too. Now, another thing we always want to remember is why we're doing a professional summary. Of course, we want to catch the employer, but also we want to include it in a resume considering the review period of an employer as well. So we're knowing that it's about 10 seconds. So within that 10 seconds of them looking over their resume, we want to make sure that we know where the importance lies, which we know is the top and the bottom. So with it being said, the top, I always want to make sure that I put some skills, qualifications, things along those lines that'll catch the employer definitely. So I'm just going to go down the line as far as the section breakdown of a professional summary and what should really be in it. And I'm just going to give you a quick glance of how I have mine situated. It's kind of an older one, but this is pretty much how I have it situated right here. All right. And just to give you an outline on how it should be set up, as far as the breakdown, it should be 4 to 5 sentences. You should start with soft skills, definitely, or a soft skill as far as compassionate, dedicated, knowledgeable, virtuous, reliable, dependable, anything that's relevant to the occupation that can catch the employer. Also, you want to input the years of experience within the desired occupation. So 3+ years, 5+ years, 10+ years, however long that you have experience within that occupation. And also present 2 soft skills, 2 hard skills, 2 qualifications, as well as 1 robust accomplishment that'll catch the employer as well, because they always want to see that you're active or that you completed some duties at your previous job that received recognition, which is always good too. So that's always a focus. Now I'm just going to read off just about 1 or 2 professional summaries. And as you kind of hear me say, I said it a couple times, professional summary. I've seen different titles on the resume as far as the summary portion up top here. I'll show you again. I state mine as professional summary. Some people just put summary. Some people put objective, but my focus has always been to put professional summary. It seems to come off well, and I've just been kind of rolling with that one, honestly. Just like I said, I'm going to read off a couple of those professional summaries for you as far as examples. The first one here is pertaining to a medical assistant. Compassionate medical assistant professional with 8+ years in the medical field. Extremely patient and attentive towards all patients for a positive outcome. Strong scheduling ethics as well as maintaining confidentiality within policy and procedures. Expert in understanding medical terminology and drawing blood to meet facility needs. Received Employee of the Month for going over and beyond numerous occasions. Now with that pretty much pinpoint everything I just stated: hard skills, soft skills, qualifications, as well as the accomplishment in there. Another one that I have here is a car salesman. Confident salesperson with 5+ years of automotive sales experience, the ability to engage with customers, build rapport to close on merchandise, exemplary negotiating and price matching skills focused towards growing company revenue, proficient written and verbal communication etiquette with knowledge of sales database, successfully exceeded monthly company goals 11 out of 12 months this prior year. All right, so as we see with that example too, that meets all the outlines, it meets all the bullets that I stated as far as the hard skills, soft skills, qualifications, and accomplishments as well. So we definitely want to be sure that we put that in there. And as I read those, you kind of saw with the medical assistant, I started with compassionate. As far as the automotive salesperson, I started as confident. Now, these are things that employers look for as well, within their employees. So that's why be sure that I put those in the professional summary as far as the first word, and that's called the soft skill. As I stated, the soft skill is pretty much a skill that is not technically learned, but it's something that's kind of embedded in us. Motivated, dependable, reliable, tolerant, just things that's not really learned. Being extremely nice, cheerful, things along those lines. So that was pretty much my outlook of the professional summary. I urge everybody to have a professional summary in their resume, because that would definitely amplify your resume and have employers look at your resume as needed. All right. Thank you.